How to block and unblock someone on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. You will land to the For You page. Now at the top right corner, you can find this search icon. Click on it. At the very top, you'll find the search box. Over here, you can just type in the name of the user that you want to block. Now go to the profile of the person. Once you land to the profile, at the top right corner, you will find this arrow icon. Click on it. With that, different options will pop up. Click on the option of block. Click on block again. I have just blocked this person. Once you block the person, now how to unblock it? Head towards your profile. At the top right corner, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Go to the option settings and privacy. Open the option privacy. Scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you will see the option of blocked accounts. Open it. From this page, you can easily unblock anyone. All you need to do is click on the option of unblock. With that, I have just unblocked this user. So this is how you can easily block and unblock someone on TikTok. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.